Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix crackling audio from your headphones or speakers on a PC or laptop in Windows 10 or 11. I'll be showing you within Windows 11, but the methods will be almost identical in Windows 10 for you to follow. Let's get into the methods. First, we'll focus on the physical elements of your device. Check the connections of the headphones or speakers and try a different port on your PC or laptop if you can. Make sure the device is fully inserted in the port. If you use a Bluetooth device, try repairing the device in the Bluetooth settings, then try removing any other Bluetooth devices, as this could cause the interference and crackling. It's best to check your headphones or speakers on another device if you can. This will allow us to test whether the issue is physically caused by the device itself, in which case you'd need to check your warranty information. You could also test another pair of headphones or speakers to see if that device is also affected, in which case the problem is likely a setting in Windows. We'll now try some solutions within Windows. We need to get to the sound control panel first. Search for Control Panel, and when it opens, click on Hardware and Sound, and then where it says Sound in green. This should open a new window, and in the Playback tab, look for your headphones or speakers and make sure it is the default device by clicking it and then by choosing Set Default. It will have a green check mark on it if it is the default device. It might also be worth disabling all other sound devices both in the Playback tab and in the Recording tab, just in case they are interfering with your headphones or speakers in some way. Right-click on the other devices in here and in the Recording tab and choose Disable. Make sure you re-enable them with the same method though once you've tested to see if this helps. Next, find your device again and double-click on it. If you have the Enhancements tab, open this and try checking the box next to where it says Disable all enhancements. With this checked, click on Apply and test your device for the crackling sound. Next, head to the Advanced tab, and in here you could test out each of the quality formats to see if one of these options fixes the problem. After selecting one from the drop-down menu, make sure you click on Apply to test it. We're now going to try updating drivers, re-enabling and reinstalling the device. To do this, search for and open the Device Manager. Within here, expand the section called Audio Inputs and Outputs and look for your headphones or speakers. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Then choose the Automatic option and allow Windows to search for driver updates. If there weren't any, we can now try re-enabling the device. To do this, right-click on it again, and this time choose Disable Device, then choose Yes. Wait a few seconds, then right-click on it and choose Enable Device. Test your headphones or speakers now. If this didn't work, we could try reinstalling the device. Right-click on it once again and choose Uninstall Device, and then Uninstall. Now go to where it says Action at the top and select Scan for Hardware Changes. Try your device again now, and you may need to reconnect it by unplugging it and then connecting it again. Next, we can try the Sound Troubleshooter. Search for Troubleshoot Settings in the search bar and then open this settings page. Click on Other Troubleshooters and look for the one called Something Like Audio. Click on Run next to it and allow Windows to look for and suggest possible fixes. You can also run the Bluetooth troubleshooter if your device is connected wirelessly via Bluetooth. The next method is to think back to when the issue started appearing. There is a chance that a software change or hardware change caused the problem. This could be some new audio software or a new component. If you are certain that one of these changes caused the problem, then you could revert them or research how this will have affected your device and what you can do to work around it. It's worth restarting your PC or laptop if you haven't done this already. A restart could help refresh a lot of the settings on your PC and it could help fix the problem. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.